I don't really know what to say about questions like this. I mean, it's so easy. It's number 17. We know it's like in theory supposed to be harder, but it's still the easy module. If you're getting this wrong, please comment. What am I missing? What are you missing? Let's figure this out. The graph of the linear function f is shown where y equals f of x. That's just telling us there's a line here. What is the x-intercept of the graph of f? So the only thing I could think of that you would get wrong is you maybe want to give them the y-intercept, which would be here. But that point isn't even available to us, right? So the x-intercept is on the x-axis. That's clearly at -12. So A is the answer. That's it. It's the only thing that includes a -12. Now, obviously it's not B, it's not C. I could maybe see like someone picking D because they're like, oh, they just see the 12 and they ignore that it's negative, but there's clearly a negative symbol next to it. So I don't really know. The only other thing that they didn't really give us as a potential answer, but another potential trap would have been if they did 0, -12. And I think a lot of people would have picked that if that was an option because it feels right. We really like to have the 0 for whatever reason kind of first. I think because we're always thinking about y-intercepts and that's kind of what we want. But you got to just pay attention to x's and y's. It's not complicated. It's just x comes first in the alphabet. So it comes first in a point, right? But, you know, they didn't do that. And to me, there's nothing really that we could get wrong here. I don't even know where something like choice C comes from. I have no idea why someone would pick that. So if you have some insight, please give it to me. But I'll just kind of end by saying what I've been saying in a lot of the videos for this module. It's about reading graphs. It's about just knowing points and picking them off of the graph. So if you can just do that, you're going to get half the questions right. It's that simple.